Welcome to this episode of Delfield Tech Talk. How to operate the touchscreen GA controls. First, we're going to want to look at adjusting the temperature set point. In the configurations window, select the set box temperature, enter the password, and simply adjust your set box temperature. Select the back when you're finished. Here are some ideal set points. These are based on ideal atmospheric conditions. Next, we're going to turn off and on audible alarms. In the configurations window, select Alarm Management. Enter your password, and simply switch on or off your audible alarm, and back to return. Now we're going to look at Adaptive Defrost, which is our factory recommended default setting. In the configurations window, select the defrost type, enter your password, and select Adaptive Defrost. Next, we're going to look at the time of day defrost. Select the configurations window, the defrost type, and enter your password. Select time of day defrost. This will give you 6 options to time out when the defrost kicks on. When you're done, simply hit the back and return to the home screen. Next, we're going to look at a manual defrost or one-time defrost. In the settings window, select the manual defrost, activate the manual defrost, and this will run 1 cycle and return to normal functions. On freezer units, we have a door frame heater. To turn that on, we simply go to Configurations, select Frame Heater, enter the password, and now we can choose from Always On, a Power Save, and Always Off. Returning back to English after your setting has been changed. Go to the settings and select Language, which is the 4th one down in the left column in every unit. On the top left will be English, and on the bottom left will be Return. Thank you for watching this episode of Delfield Tech Talk. For more information, follow our YouTube channel.